So this is my quick impromptu video of what's on the inside of my control module for my flower pot smoker. If you haven't watched that video, link will be in the description. But had to kind of rethink. I haven't even opened this in a while, so I forgot what was on the inside, so I was kind of curious myself. But I basically took the insides of a burner plate, a little cheap $20 thing off of like Amazon or Walmart or whatever, and took it apart and took the control module out of it and put it into this. So what I've got going on is a little tester. This just checks, see my plug, and you can see that I've got hot. This side right here is actually just the neutral. So that's what I'm using to test, to show you like where it's hot and where it's not. So basically, if you look down here, I've got this plug going in the wall, and as it comes in, it feeds hot to right here. So that's actually, let me just double check everything. So yeah, that's hot right there. Now, it's not, plug everything really quick. So on this back side, it won't actually turn on until it goes past a certain thing. So you heard the click. That click, I'll do it again. So that click actually means it's on, and if it was plugged in, this red light would come on. So I'm going to flip it back over and plug this in and plug in my neutral so I can just test it. That thing's got to be like almost right in the right spot. Just double check this. Yep, so that's hot right now. And now, because if you notice the red light is on the back side, so now it's also hot right here. So that knob completes this circuit between these two jumpers, right here and right here. Okay, so and as it does, it feeds power. Let me unplug this just so I can point a little bit easier. When it feeds power, it basically feeds it along this line, which again goes to the light and completes that light. And that actually turns the light on. So, so you've got hot that goes to it, and you've got this side, which is my neutrals. So all my neutrals are plugged in together. So I've got a hot coming into the light and a neutral going out, but that's only true if this switch is completed. So because the switch is completed, then this light turns on. Also, because it feeds out hot, it jumps from my hot from the, so this is my hot coming in from my plug. So I just left it long, I don't know why. But like I said, that feeds into the bottom part of the switch. This is unplugged, so I'm messing with it right now. But this feeds in, and as soon as the knob turns on, either because it gets too hot, it gets hot enough or whatever, it'll turn this on. And in doing so, it'll go down here to my smoker and to my coil, and that'll heat up because it'll complete a circuit again. So I've got a hot going in and a neutral going in. So with the burner, it just completes that circuit and the coil heats up, and that comes back as well. So I've got my neutral obviously coming from the wall. So I hope that makes sense. It's basically a hot coming in, the switch, which is the knob turning it on. That hot feeds out in two directions. Feeds one to the switch, to the LED, and one to the burner plate. And then both of those have neutrals that come back to the neutral from the plug. So that's it. And I don't know if you can see it, but that is my, I guess it's called a thermoresistor, if I'm correct. I don't know the exact term, and this is where I'm weak. That control knob was pulled directly out of the burner plate, and I just put it right on the back. And this little box, this little hobby project box, is something you'd buy for like $3-4, and it closes up with no issue. So I'm sorry for the bad image quality, like I said, or maybe positioning. I just was holding this in my hand and talking, but I hope you kind of understand what's going on, and thank you for watching.